Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to create a group in Snapchat. Now to begin the process, open the Snapchat application. Once you have been logged in, you need to tap on the message icon just beside the search effect icon. That is the message. Tap that. Once you're at the chat page of your Snapchat, you need to tap on new chat, that is the blue icon on the bottom right corner. Tap that. Here you will have this option of new group. You tap that. Now here you need to type in the group name and choose the people that you want to add to this group. So first of all, type in the group name and below you type in the Snapchat username. It will give you the name and you need to just select all those and then tap on chat with group. This way you will be creating a group with the people that you have just selected. This will create a group with the number of people that you have selected. Hope this video was useful on how to create a group on Snapchat. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.